So welcome to the Future Book Forum 2023. So let's get started and think about how the world is changing and how the world is liquefying.
Since 10 years, we're bringing book printers and publishers together and the whole ecosystem of the publishing industry. So we're talking about grow your audience with liquid design, and this is merging physical and digital together.
Liquid design is about bringing things into flow. It's about looking to see what channels can I use as a publisher to find people who are interested in my content.
For me, it's about connecting with a great community of people who all want to work together on issues that I feel very passionate about, and that's sustainability, liquid design, sustainable business growth, and the future of our sector together.
We are printers. Future Book Forum has proposed a way to see the forecast that is coming in the next year, so we have to improve and to adapt to it.
It's not a selling event, it's about talks with industry people, it's about networking, it's about inspiration and getting new ideas, and that's really special in the industry.
Today, more than ever, what we need are readers.
Let's create a community of people who are passionate about the future of books.
We now have a way to beautifully and seamlessly connect the world of digital with the world of physical books.
I think the best way for publishers to engage with communities and with their audiences is to look on social media platforms, whether that's Instagram, TikTok, X, YouTube, because these book communities already exist there.
Innovative ideas and a lot of energy focused on the future and concentrated in one room. I think that this is the Future Book Forum.
It's great to see that things have come to life, like AR, like print on demand.
The books we'll have in 5 to 10 years will be augmented.
I'm thinking about how to make a better world with new ideas in this industry.
We have seen so many opportunities that we didn't have in mind, because talking with other people we were able to think about the future of the book together.
But what we're really trying to achieve with the Future Book Forum since this 10 years which we are doing it now is, I believe, is really bringing people together, thinking about new ideas, taking technology into account and moving the whole thing forward together.